Alright, so the question here says that we have a table and we have these East Coast counties and Midwest counties. And it says we have 6 East Coast counties and 6 Midwest counties. Using an index where 100 represents the average cost of living for all participating cities with a population of more than 1.5 million. Answer the parts A through E below. So we have this thing. So let me just write these figures here for the 6 counties. And in using these numbers, we have to find the standard deviation for each of the 2 sets. So the standard deviation, one way to find it is to use your calculator. So I'm going to pull over my calculator and I'm going to go to Stat, and then I'm going to choose the Edit menu. And in List 1, I'm going to hit Clear, Enter if I have anything there. And then I'm going to put in these 6 counties. Now I have the East Coast, and I have the Midwest. So I can right arrow over into List 2, and I could put in those also. So now I have all my data in here. Now to find the standard deviation, having the calculator find it for you, you can hit Stat, and then you're going to right arrow over to the Calculate menu. And we're going to choose one var stats. So I'm going to hit Enter, and then I choose the list. So the East Coast counties I had in List 1. So I'm going to put List 1 in here. It defaults to that. Frequency of the list, each one is only 1 time, so I can just leave that blank. And then I'm going to put my cursor on Calculate and hit Enter. And so the standard deviation of the sample is this SX 77.4973. This asks me to round it to 2 decimal places, so because this is a 7, that would round this 9 up to 10, making this a 50, so 77.50. Now, there's other data I can grab from here. I can grab the mean. This is the sum of all the x's. This is the sum of the x's squared. There's 6 data points. There's a minimum. This is the population standard deviation. In our case, we're asking for the sample standard deviation. There's quartile 1, which is used in the box and Lister plot. This is quartile 2, or the median. Quartile 3. And then the max. Now, I'm done with that one, so now I can go back to Stat, Calculate, choose number 1 again. This time my Midwest counties, those were in List 2, so to put L2 here, I'm going to go hit, you see L2 is here in the blue on mine, might be a different color on yours, but whatever color it is, you're going to match it here, you're going to say second, number 2, and it will choose L2, and then hit Calculate, and then I get the same type of data points. I want the sample standard deviation, so it's 55.16 when I round it to 2 decimal places. And that's how to use the calculator to find the standard deviation.